Got it. One shoe. Where's the other shoe? Other shoe. Oh, the keys. Oh.
Milk. Give me milk. Please, milk. Milk.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hey, I'm running just a little bit late. Hello? 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 God, service. Oh, no, yeah. I just got here. Yeah, my bad. My phone had bad reception. Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess that works. Yeah. Okay. Hello?
Hey, man.
Yo, what's cracking?
What's up?
How you doing?
Me? I just got back from work. Talked to this Karen.
Mm-hmm.
30 minutes of my life that I will always cherish. I got home. Unlocked the door the first try. Did not drop my keys.
Nah, of course not.
Poured some cereal.
Mm-hmm.
Checked the fridge. I had like 8 different milks. It was perfect. I had so many choices. I kind of mixed the milks. It was cool. How was your day though?
You know, best day of my life. Got to my car. The car was actually already unlocked. Didn't even have to touch the keys. Job interview went great. Got hired on the spot. It was wonderful. Honestly, just best day of my life,
Alright, so it seems we both had pretty bad days.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I was just thinking, do you want to like change up the vibe?
What you mean?
Souls and just like go to the beach?
Oh, I'm down.
Let's go to the beach. I know you're worrying about the quarantine, but like they seem to have things just going for them. Let's just go to the beach. Let's just do it.
Alright, I'm down. Let me just change real quick and I'll head out right now. Alright?
Bet.
Alright, bet. Peace out.
Hey man, what's up?
What's cracking, bro?
How you doing?
Best day of my life.